Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Properties' new phase launch in Godrej Reserve, which is located on the Western Express Highway in Kandivali East. In this teaser, we will be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. So let's get started. We'll know about the project a lot in detail, but before that, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom grade price, यानी कि the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms, जहाँ पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर बहुत सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं और उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, आपको ढेर सारे कॉल्स आने लगते हैं. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer. So यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. First one is project overview. Godrej Reserve will be constructed on 18.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers that will be developed phase-wise, out of which the first phase has already been developed and now launching phase 2 consisting of 2 towers, and each tower will be of ground plus 51 residential stories having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residence. Now coming to the location part, so project is located right on the Western Express Highway opposite to Grovel's Mall in Kandivali East, with Grovel's Mall just 100 meters, metro station is 300 meters and Kandivali railway station is 500 meters from the project. Now talking about the amenities, so the project will have 50 plus ultra luxurious lifestyle amenities with likes of clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, amphitheater, kids play area, meditation zone and many more wonderful amenities. Now let's talk about the master plan and carpet area analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of 6 towers of Godrej Reserve, wherein Tower 1, Tower 4 and Tower 5 has already been launched, and now they will be launching Tower 2, Tower 3 and Tower 6. Now let's talk about the carpet area. Godrej Reserve will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK carpet area of 776 square feet, 3 BHK of 1120 to 1450 square feet and 4 BHK of 2000 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's talk about the floor plan. Floor plan of all the towers are same. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 2, having 8 flats on each floor, 8 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let's talk about the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 776 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1120 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK of 2000 square feet carpet area. Now let's talk about the booking process. Project booking window is now open. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details, will show the pricing and payment schemes as well. We'll also show you the sample flat. And if after all of this, if you like the flat, then you can book by paying a token. This token will have multiple benefits, pre-launch discounts and offers, preference in flat selection. All the token holders will be called on the first day to choose their respective apartments. 100% refundable. If after all of this, if you don't like the flat or you want to cancel for any reason whatsoever, this token is 100% refundable without any deduction.
So everyone, this was a teaser of residential project Godrej Reserve's new launch phase 2, located in Kandivali East by Godrej Properties. If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.